So a lot of people in my Discord have been asking me for help with PCs and help with PC hardware. So if you're one of those people that have been planning on buying a new PC or buying some new parts for your current PC, go ahead, join my Discord server, go to PC hardware. And once you go to PC hardware, you can see all the recommended builds list I recommend personally, depending on your budget and depending on what the use case for the build is going to be. I also have basically the God build shown up right here. That's going to be the best build for latency and for gaming. Keep this in mind that all these builds depend on what you want. It's not going to be the best for everyone. Some of you might be getting a 1500 X3D. Some of you might be getting a 7800 X3D. Some of you might be going Intel. It really depends on your budget. If you guys want a full PC optimization service where you get lower input lag, way more FPS, and smoother gameplay in all of your games, go to the link in my profile. I've worked with people like Booga. And if you want a PC completely custom built for you, optimized for you, and stress tested for you before you even get it, go to the link here.